Hi everyone, welcome back to HPT Learning Tutorial. So here we were just discussing about the SCD Type 2 dimensions, wherein we have just performed the delete, insert, append operation, wherein we received the second file in our SCD 1. Now we were talking about SCD Type 2. So in this video we are going to understand how SCD Type 2 is going to work. It is going to work on insert and update only, no delete. So insert new records, update existing end date with new start date to differentiate the new and existing transaction or the new and existing record, and then there would be no deletion. Okay, delete, there would be no delete operation over here in SCD Type 2. So no records maintain previous as well as new records. So let's say the category ID is 1. Okay, this was my previous record, this was the previous entry, the first entry. I'm maintaining the history here. So certification 1, category price was 40,000 and start date was 1st of Jan 2024, and end date will be the start date of the new transaction. So as soon as I have received the same product ID, right, the same category ID here for certification 1, I'm going to insert that record and I'm going to update the end date of this particular record, of the existing record, with the new start date of the new record. Okay, with the start end date would basically be updated with the start date of the new record. Okay, so from 1st Jan till 20th Jan the prices was 40,000. There was no discount being offered, but then there was that academy team thought maybe we can provide some prices. So what they did after the Diwali, they provided certain discounts. Let's say slash the prices from 40,000 to 30,000, and when it was effective from 20th Jan. So this is my new start date, which you have received in the incoming file, which is getting refreshed on the daily basis, or just the file which we have received today. And then this is my latest record, so I'm going to update the end date with 9999 12/31 or 31st December 1999. Okay, as you wish, whatever you wish. And here we have also updated the discount as yes. Okay, and there is no other change apart from this. The existing record for ID2 exists as it is, and for ID3 as well as exists as it is. Okay, there are no changes. So this is the latest record for 2, 3 and 4 if I see, and 2 and 3, and for the category 1, this is the latest row. So these are my 3 latest rows. Now you will say, okay, I can see the 2 duplicates here for category ID 1, right? Because this is a new record which is inserted, since we are maintaining history over here. So we might find the duplicates over here. So in order to eliminate duplicate, we need to introduce a new primary key for this particular table, which is the category dimension in SCD Type 2. I'm going to create a new column as category key, which is going to be the auto-generated sequence in my table, and I'm going to not say it as a primary key, but it will act as a primary key, which will be the surrogate key for my existing SCD Type 1. Okay, so if I want to map the category ID, I can map it using this will be the primary key for this particular table in order to identify the unique records. Okay, because here we can find duplicates. We can also do it via start date and end date, but this is how we maintain the table so that we can maintain the history. So this is the new record with the latest start date, and the previous end date will be updated with the latest start date, and the new end date will be updated as infinite. Okay, so this is the basic difference between SCD Type 1 and Type 2. So I hope you like it. Let's see the practical demonstration here. So if you see, I have 2 tables. One is I've created 2 tables. One is category stage and one is category dimension, with the columns as this. Okay, so category ID, name, price, transaction date, discount applied. This is my first table, which is the staging table, and I've loaded the data into the dimension table using the staging table. Okay, after creating it. So here how I have inserted the data: insert into category staging. First we have inserted the values. Now for the category dimension, how we are inserting, first of all I'm declaring the date. Whatever date you give here, you see the difference is here. So this is my existing table, right? This is the staging table on which we actually received the file, and now here I have given the date as this date. Whatever date you pass today, that is going to be your transaction date for your new table. I know I'm going to schedule my process, my ETL job for 2nd of November, since I've received the file on 25th of October. So I'm passing the date as transaction date as 2 November. Okay, so insert into category dimension, select category from all the columns, and the transaction date, which I have declared as a variable over here in SCD Type 1, from category stage, From the staging table, I'm inserting it into the dimension table where category ID is not in. Since